to this. Ah, no, I think I lost it. I just putting. No problem. No. Okay.
It's okay. We can revise it again next time.
Yes, yes. Okay. Most of
The-
it is revision. Okay.
If you make someone else the co-host, maybe then the recording wouldn't be lost next time. Next time you have a power cut.
Okay.
Or whatever the reason was.
Okay. I will try that. Okay. Now here we know when we say di so re mik re. Okay. Can anybody? Okay, let's try yen hung. Yen hung la in the Dilotang.
Puku di pu re pumo re.
That's it. Puku, you know, right? Puku di, this kid, we are talking about this small kid, small baby. Okay? We are talking about this small baby. Puku di pu re pumo re. Okay? Now, Rodrigo, can you answer this question? Puku di pu re pumo re.
Di pukure.
No, we are saying puku di. The option is pure pumore. Is it a boy or a girl? Okay.
Di pumore.
That's it. Anything you like. If you think pu or pumo, okay? Or if you think LGBTQ. I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay. Hola, so puku di pure pumore. That's it. Okay. Answer will be di pure, or you can say puku di, this kid. Puku di pure, or puku di pumore. That's it. Okay. Okay. Lainda. Let's try Sivat Lainda. Can you read this question?
Di pel re sa re.
That's it. Di pel re sa re. Can you answer?
Di pel re.
That's it. Re re. Di pel re. Okay. Sa is, we know, earth or soil. Okay. Di pel re. Pala pel. Okay. That's it. Now let's try someone. Nikila in the Nikila. You wanna try this? Read this?
Yes. T pu ri tipuri pu re.
That's it. Okay. Now you have to know these two are not same sound. Okay. Very good. You try it's similar, but not same. Here, because of the prefix, it becomes boo. Here becomes no prefix or nothing. Poo, boo, poo, boo. Like this, two different. Now I'm asking, di pu re bu re.
Di bu re.
That's it. Di bu re. Okay. So bu is all insect. any insect. Okay? Bu. A, pa, shabku, bu. Okay? That's it. So what I will suggest it is, if you can't do homework well, okay, which most of us, including me, is lazy. Okay? So if you can do homework well, during the class, you can try to write it down. Okay? Whether it's good or bad, no shying, just try. It's good. Okay? In the class, you listen well, it's enough. Okay? Then if you do more homework, it's even more better, more cheese on the food. Okay? That's it. Di pure bure. Answer will be di bure. Okay? Just like that. Ainda. No. Without looking at the letter, just look at the picture and can you say a question? Let's try McGregor.
Di pumore.
That's it. And the answer will be
Te pumore.
that's it. Te pumore. Just like that. Okay. Let's try Nurmala Inda.
Ji ra re look le.
Any?
Ji look re.
That's it. That's it. Now I will ask question. Okay. Revision question. Wangmola Inda. Di karere.
Di look re.
Di lukre. Okay, that's it. Now here, we already learned thang today, okay? And this new letter is nga, okay? Di thang di, we also learned, okay? Today. Oh yeah. Then we learned kare already before, right? Di karere, te karere. Then we learned kaki, okay? Kaki, that's it. So today we learned these two questions and we learned di go re mikre, like this, okay? That's it. So I think we stop here today. Okay. Too many, not good. Sorry, today video not long, not good maybe. I will look if it's there. Okay. Then this much today. And I will suggest some of you go back and learn how the main sound is. Like here, it's not ba, it's ha. Okay. Many of you, all right, but someone who didn't attend the class when they didn't have a time, they might have some little problem. So please revision it a little bit, okay? If you need an old video, I will send again. Just send me a message, okay? And that's it. Tujiche, Trashid Dalek, thank you. Allah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tenzin. Thank you.
Allah, so thank you. Trashid.